have an overload on the primary feed. Reroute power to the auxiliary systems now.
The particle size distribution seems consistent.
Yes, but let's monitor the energy consumption for the next hour.
We're maintaining optimal flow rates through the cyclone.
And the sensor data confirms high purity concentrate.
This batch looks good, exactly what the client requested. Agreed, the new dryer settings are working well.
This peak confirms the high purity after the 5th cycle. That aligns perfectly with the SEM analysis.
The spheritalization rate increased after the last adjustment.
Good, we are hitting the G2 targets ahead of schedule.
The film looks consistent here, but the data spike at 1500 meters concerns me. Let's isolate that section for further review.
We have a pulse here near the tolerance limit. Should we check it manually? No, the automated scan verified it. It's within spec.
Alignment on the separator looks good?
Yeah.
Confirmed. Data logs are green across the board.
The capacity is stable at 10.2 amp hours. Excellent efficiency. Log that in the report.
Check the capacity metrics on line 3. We have an anomaly here.
The yield percentage is fluctuating slightly, but it's still within tolerance.
The torque sequence on Module 3 looks consistent. Confirmed. We are within the specified parameters.
Torque set on the main conduit.
And the BMS is online. We have a confirmed connection.
Ensure the thermal piping is seated correctly here.
Confirmed. Diagnostics show optimal flow rate. Ready for transport.
Ensure the thermal piping is seated correctly here.
Confirmed. Diagnostics show optimal flow rate. Ready for transport. The connections are secure. All systems nominal. Confirmed. Logging the final report now.
Okay, bring it straight back another 2 feet and you're good. Ensure the manifest is updated on your end.